Hey guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? For today, I just want to show you the whole progress of my trade. So normally you will see me only using one trading strategy, and that's because I try out different strategies. I try different strategies on different market, different currency pairs, and I pick the best one that is suitable for entering the market, and that's what you see normally on my videos. So for today, I will start from the beginning. So I will set up the indicators, and I will enter the market, and then I will see if if the strategy is suitable for me to trade. If not, then I will change my strategy and so on and so forth, and then I will try to make a few more trades, and then I will show you how I normally trade and how I normally deal with different market situation. So the first strategy that I'm gonna use, that I'm gonna put onto the chart, is gonna be the GMMA and MACD. So I will see if this strategy is suitable for me to enter the market, if it is able to help me to spot any chance for me to open trades. So first let me set up the indicators, and then we will talk about more, and then we will see whether it works. So okay, so let's go to indicator. So just that button there, click on it. So now we will choose the GMMA. So that's the one there, put a tick on it. So the default, the setting for GMMA is on default, so nothing to change. So next we'll go to oscillator. Okay, oscillator, and then we'll choose the MACD. This is the second indicator that we're gonna use. So now open the drop down. Okay, so go to parameter. Then for parameter we are using a 5, 35, and 5 parameters. So EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, signal is 5. So now the indicators are all set. So the last thing I'm looking at is the chart period and option periods. So for today, I'll be using a 10 seconds chart to trade with 30 seconds option. So now the settings are all down, so we will be using the GMMA and MACD to see whether I can trade with this strategy. So okay, so first the GMMA and MACD is a trend following strategy. So in here I can see that the red lines are above the blue lines, and then the market direction overall is heading upward, so it's all good. So next I just need to have the red line contraction, and now you see the red lines the candlesticks start to breaking through the blue line. So that means that for this particular currency pairs, I think that a trend reversal is on the way. So I will not trade I will not use the GMMA and MACD to trade in this currency pairs. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm not gonna change the strategy yet. So what I'm gonna do now is that I will browse on different currency pairs just to try to look for another movement that is suitable for this strategy. So okay, so we'll change the currency pairs. Okay, so well, it seems like whether the price is in a trend reversal or whether the market is in range market. So so now I will change the strategy. So the next strategy that I'm gonna use is gonna be the simple moving average with MACD. So so I'm just having some last hope here. So it's not, so I will change the strategy. So go to indicator again. So now I deselect the GMMA, then I will select the simple moving average and open the drop down. So the parameter here is 7, 13, and 100 parameters. So now that's all set, and then we can close this indicators window. So we will use this strategy to spot more chance. Okay, close it. Okay, so right there. So after I change the strategy, what it seems to be not tradable for the GMMA is now tradable for the simple moving average. So you see now the yellow simple moving average here is below the candlestick and it's heading upward. So that's a really obvious sign that the market is in the uptrend, where I couldn't find it in when I was using the GMMA. So now all I'm waiting for is just for the two simple moving average to cross over. And if the blue one goes above the red one, and if the MACD crossover, and then I will open the trade. So now I'm pretty sure this is quite a nice movement for me to trade using the simple moving average. So all I'm doing here is just to wait for the right moment to come. So I'm just gonna fast forward a little bit and change the currency pair a bit, and I will okay. So I changed the currency pairs, and then now here is another uptrend. So I will place a trade first, and then I will talk about it more. So so I placed the high. So as I mentioned just now, it's the same here. So the yellow simple moving average is below the candlestick, and it's nothing upward. So the price goes up overall. Then you see the MACD crossover, and it gives me a green histogram, and then I move back to the simple moving average. The blue line and red line crossover. The blue line goes above the red line. Then that's why I opened the trade there. So now, yep, it's ending in profit. So I'm just gonna browse on different currency pairs, and then I will stay with the simple moving average and MACD, and just try to hope that I can spot more chance here. So well, sometimes you see just now that there is a suitable market, but then I will need to wait for another signal to come, and that is going to take me time. So that's why when I see those kind of price movement, I will change the currency pairs. So now I'm thinking that I will change the strategy again. So I will use a range market trading strategy this time. So deselect the simple moving average and select the Bollinger Bands. That's my favorite range market trading strategy. So just deselect all the lines on the left and keep the one on the right, and then now we're all good to go. So yeah, close it. Okay, so just now what I was looking at is that I realized that most of the currency pairs are in a range market. That's why I decided to change to a range market trading strategy. So which might help me to spot more trading chances and increase my winning percentage. So so there we go. I will place a high here. So now you see I've been talking about it quite many times. So you see the candlestick has approached to the lower band, and then I have the MACD crossover and gives me a green histogram, and then that's why I opened this high position here. So all I'm waiting for here is just for the trade to finish, and I'm pretty sure this one is gonna end in profit to get that speed. So so it's ending in profit. So that's all good. So now let's take a look at the trade history. So go to history and then trade history. So two trades. I used 3 different strategies today, and I make 2 trades, and the profit now has come to $140. So now I have been doing the daily video, the trading video for a long time, and I've been explaining different strategies, both trend trading and range market trading. So you should have you might not master every strategy, but then you should have 1 or 2 favorite strategies in mind. And then what you should do is that to have both range market trading strategy and trend market trading strategy in your mind at the same time, and then go to the platform, and then if the market is in a trend market, use trend market trading strategy. And then if the market is in a trend market, but then you don't spot any chances using this strategy, you can switch to another trend following strategy. And perhaps when you switch between strategies, then you will be able to spot a trading chance that you couldn't spot using the previous strategy. Or if the market change direction and change from range market to trend market, change to trend market to range market, then you can change your strategy as well, which just to match with the market situation. So that's how you should trade. You should always be flexible and to adjust and to adapt to the market situation and change your trading strategy. So that's what trading is all about, is to be flexible. So well, I'm guessing that's it for today. If you do have any question on what I talked about just now, feel free to leave me a comment, and then I can try to explain to you more. So if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video, and I will see you soon again tomorrow. Bye!